Hi everyone, this is Adrian, and today we rank Subway Surfer by Sabo Games. Subway Surfer is a popular mobile game known for its addictive and fast-paced gameplay. With vibrant graphics and smooth animation, it offers visually appealing experience. So let's take a flash overview on Subway Surfers and give our ranking on this game.
Pros 1. Graphics.
Subway Surfers boasts vibrant and visually appealing graphics, complemented by smooth animation enhancing the overall gaming experience. Additionally, the game utilizes animation to convey a sense of speeding and excitement, especially during movements of intense gameplay, creating a dynamic and enjoyable environment for players to immerse themselves in.
Pros 2. Competitive.
The inclusion of global leaderboards add competitive elements, allowing players to compare their scores with others worldwide, fostering a sense of community and challenge. And that is a good thing for the progress of the players and the time in game, lowering the drop loss of players.
Cons 1. Repetitive.
Like I said before, this game is really fun. The problem with it is that over time, the game may become repetitive for some players, as they encounter similar obstacles and challenges in different locations, potentially leading to a loss of interest. So that's it guys, I was Adrian, and that was a flash review on Subway Surfers. A good running game to enjoy on your mobile device. I would definitely recommend playing it. So that's all for today guys. Hope to see you on next review. To get more of our videos and get updates on new games, please push the subscribe button. See you soon.